viewers, welcome to Decor Zone. Let's see some beautiful cottage style small kitchen decor ideas. A small cottage kitchen is a cozy, charming, and functional cooking space designed with the warmth and simplicity of cottage living in mind. Despite its limited size, it emphasizes comfort, vintage charm, and efficient use of space. It often reflects a lived-in, welcoming feel that combines practicality with personal touches. Key features of a small cottage kitchen: compact and efficient layout, usually L-shaped, U-shaped, or galley style, or maximizes space. Open shelves or hanging racks instead of upper cabinets to reduce bulk and keep the room feeling open. Vintage or rustic elements, vodka block or natural wood countertops, farmhouse or apron front sink, antique or repurposed furniture pieces like a vintage hut or open pantry shelf. Use soft muted colors. Common color palettes include whites, creams, soft pastels, rose cream, dusty blue, or warm neutrals. Painted cabinets in gentle hues add charm and brightness. Use natural materials, wood floors, both walls, and open wooden shelves give texture and warmth. Wicker baskets and linen textiles are common accessories. Open shelving and display. Dishes, glassware, or vintage cookware are often on display. Use mason jars, enamelware, or floral patterned mugs. Create a lived-in, collected feel. Whimsical or floral touches. Use floral curtains, gingham fabrics, embroidered tea towels. Also use potted herbs or small vases with fresh flowers. Cozy lighting. Use pendant lights, lanterns, or vintage-inspired pictures. Create a warm glow. Natural light is often maximized with sheer curtains or open windows. Atmosphere. A small cottage kitchen feels inviting. It is a place where people want to gather. Nostalgic. Reminiscent of country homes and grandma's kitchen. Comfortable. Full of personality, not perfection. Tips to decorate a small cottage kitchen: use vertical space, hang pots, utensils, or small shelves. Add charm with vintage sign, old spice tins, or handmade decor. Mix and match dishes or glass knobs for an eclectic look. Add a small table or a fold-out breakfast nook if space allows. Here are some tips to help you style and organize a small cottage kitchen beautifully, even if you are working with limited space. Decorating and styling tips: use light colors to open up the space. Why? Light shades make a small kitchen feel bigger and brighter. Add cottage-style curtains or skirts. Replace cabinet doors or under-sink panels with fabric skirts in gingham, tall, or floral prints. Add lace-trimmed cafe curtains to a window for a soft, romantic touch. Incorporate handmade or vintage accessories. Use crochet pot holders, embroidered linens, or handmade tea towels. Display mismatched antique dishes, angular or retro glass jars on open shelves. Decorate with nature, potted herbs like rosemary, thyme, or basil on windowsills. Bring in scents, greenery, and function. Decorate with seasonal flowers in mason jars or old pictures for a fresh, natural touch. Use vertical wall space. Install open shelving or big boards for storing pots, pans, and utensils. Hang baskets or racks on walls for extra storage without cluttering counters. Use hooks under shelves. Hang mugs, teacups, or small pots from hooks under shelves or cabinets for easy access and charm. Opt for multifunctional furniture. Try a small rolling cut for extra prep space and storage. Use a fold-out wall table or a bench with storage for dining and extra organization. Repurpose items creatively. Use vintage platters for product storage or open shelving. Repurpose an old ladder horizontally as a hanging rack for copper pots or giant herbs. Atmosphere and character tips. Add soft, warm lighting. Use warm toned bulb, vintage style lamps, or fairy lights for a cozy glow. Install a charming pendant lights or candlelight for a romantic touch. Decorate with personal touches. Display handwritten recipes, family photos, or small framed botanical prints. Add tiny details like ceramic knobs, heart-shaped cutting boards, or chalkboard sign. Layer pictures. Mix wood, ceramic, metal, glass, and fabric to add visual depth and tactile warmth. Try wicker baskets, a beaded jack jug, or a wooden bedboard for texture. Keep it clutter-free, not empty. A cottage kitchen should feel lifted but tidy. Display only what you love and use. Decorate with vintage plants. Display old kitchen skulls, enamel kettles, or hand-painted platters from flower markets. Use vintage tins or canisters for storing tea, flour, or cookies. Thanks for watching.